Hey everyone, you are watching Sakit TV. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this paper boat. So let's get started. You will need a A4 size paper and fold. Just take this line and match with this line, just like this. After that, open the fold up and take this point and match with this point, just like this. And squeeze it with your nail. After that, open this up and take these 2 points and match with these 2 points. And squeeze it hard. After that, open it up and fold it just like this. After that, your model will look like this. Now what you have to do is just take this line and match with this line, just like this. After that, just take this line and match with this line, just like this. Repeat the same step over here also. Take this line and match with this line. After that, flip the paper over and fold from the middle line, just like this. After that, fold this over and reverse the folds and take this line, means these two folds, and match it with this line, just like this. And repeat the same step over here also. So after that, your model will look like this. Now what you have to do is open this fold up and take this line and match with the middle line. Just like this. Repeat the same step over here also. Now what you have to do is take this point and match with middle point, middle line. Just like so. And repeat the same step over this side also. Now what you have to do is open all the layers and flip the paper over. Carefully press along the edges. At this point, the paper is too thick, so at some point the paper might get tear. You have to be careful at this point. Now from the opposite side, you have to retrace the folds just like this. After that, your model will look like this. Now what you have to do is just open this up, take all the layers and open about this much. Just like this. And now your model is ready. Guys, this is a bit harder tutorial. I tried my best to explain it. If you like the model, like the video also. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will never miss any updates. Thanks for watching.